Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to access the webcam using OpenCV in Python. We are going to open the webcam, capture the frame, scale them down by a factor of 2, and then display them in a window. To exit this program, you can press the escape key. Let's see how to do it. So first, I already imported the CV2 module over here, and now I'm going to create a video capture object, and I will name it with by calling CV2 dot video capture with the argument 0 passed in. And now I'm going to check if the webcam is open correctly. We can do that. If not, with dot is open. If we are unable to open our webcam, we can raise IO error, raise IO error, and pass a message cannot open our webcam. And then we can use a while loop to loop through over our frames. It's gonna be while true, and we are going to read the frame by calling which method read, and we can resize our frame by calling cv2 dot resize, pass in frame, and the second argument is none. Then fx is set to 0.5, and fy is equal to or set to 0.5, and interpolation will be set to cv2 dot inter area. And now we can show the image by calling cv2 dot image show, and pass in the title, the text, frame, and our frame. We can use the wait key by our key will be set to cv2 dot wait key, and pass in one as an argument, and we are going to check if our key is equal to 27, escape key. Then we are going to break from our loop, and at the end we are going to release with dot release, and then we are going to destroy all windows by calling cv2 dot destroy all windows, and just save it. So this way we can access the webcam and open the webcam, capture the frames, scale them down by a factor of 2, then display them in a window. And to exit, we can press escape key. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Same code. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.